This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Exquisite newer pool home with many upgrades and terrific sunset exposure on Lake Center lot. Popular Bright Meadow floor plan with 3 BRS plus den, 2 full Baths+Pool Half Bath and 3-car garage. Open floor plan with spacious island kitchen that features quartz counters, 42 inches upgraded white cabinets, gas cooktop with vented hood, attractive backsplash, upgraded appliances and ample walk-in pantry. Custom features on pool and spa that are heated by both gas and solar heaters. Pavered pool deck and lanai. Spacious covered lanai area that includes summer kitchen and electric hurricane screens. Accordion shutters on all windows. Beautiful wood plank tiles in main living areas with carpet in bedrooms. Large master suite that features walk-in shower in master bath. Quartz counters in bathrooms. Natural gas-fueled home generator that can run the entire home when needed. Epoxy floors and overhead storage racks have been added to the 3-car garage. Located in Verandah, which offers 36 holes of highly rated championship golf, clubhouse with dining, fitness center, community pool, miles of walking trails, kayaking up the Orange River and more. Your new Florida home is truly impressive. For more information, review the details below.